Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. And what do we have today? Well, we have a Ram with the Rambox here. And we have a roll and lock M series, which is pretty much the only model that is available for the Rambox. So let's go and take a look here. It is a rolling hardcover, has a 300-pound weight capacity, 3-year manufacturer warranty, and of course if we install it like we did today, that warranty will get doubled to 6 years. Now we also put a 1-year labor guarantee on this. Now normally I'm the one in the camera, but we are so busy today, we did not have enough time to do a video, so I'm doing it by myself today. So let's go ahead and take a look and I'll tell you some of the differences on this. Okay, now it's just like your traditional roll lock. Just open this, rolls up into a canister. If you notice, you got lots of room underneath there. Now that is pre-made holes in there. We did not have to make any new holes. Also, you don't have to use this one if you had the black rails or the silver rails. It works either or. So it's probably one of the few covers that let you use either one, which is really quite nice. Now I do like this cover. It's made here in Florida. It's actually American made and easy to use. Well, I like a strap cover with the Rambox, and the main reason is you don't have to reach over the Ramboxes. So which is really quite nice. And again, a lot of times people call up and we forget to mention the roll and lock, that you can work with this, but with this video, we're reminding ourselves that we can do that. So again, it comes with a 3-year warranty that we're able to double to 6 years. We can't ship this anywhere in the country. Also, we are shipping now to Puerto Rico, Hawaii, Alaska. So, and we're working on outside the country as well. So again, this is the Roll and Lock M series, and it's on a Ram 1500 5.7 bed with either the black rails or silver rails. And again, you can hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's go and pull this back a little bit here so you can get a really good view of this. So there you go. And again, thank you for watching our videos.